This is the Mellow Naturalista Classic 12-inch solid wood platform bed frame. Ours is a king, and it is the natural pine finish, although it does come in several finishes. The king is 79.5 inches long by 75.5 inches wide, 12 inches high, of course. The maximum weight limit for the king and queen is 1,000 pounds and 500 for the twin. The storage space underneath is 8 inches. I would call this bed a minimalistic style, and that's exactly why we wanted it. I have really loved it. We've had it about 9 months, I think. It's made of solid wood. It's not pressed wood. We'll do a little close up here so you can see the finish, as well as the slats, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. No box spring is needed, and it's been very comfortable. There seems to be a lot of questions about the slats, so I'm going to address that here. First of all, there are 12 slats total, and that's on the king. And each slat is 3 inches wide and approximately 1/2 inch thick. They are spaced 3 1/4 inches apart, each one. And they come in like a roll. So here I'm lifting up one of them, but there's like 2 sets of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is one set. It's rolled up on this strip of Velcro. You place it down. There's Velcro on the strip, of course, and then there's Velcro attached to the bed frame. So you put them down, make sure it's secure. Do that with the other one as well. They stay in place. They're not going to move. You can see I'm wiggling on them right now. Also, there's a little strip on here that it says to remove this strip, and the idea is that your mattress doesn't slide around. And there's 2 of them. There's another one up near the top of the bed. I didn't remove it because at first I thought, well, I don't know if there's going to get some residue stuck on my mattress, but I would recommend you do it, because I notice when we get in and out of bed, when I go to make the bed, I'll see sometimes that the mattress has moved a little bit. Okay, so now this is this is the foot of the bed, and here's the middle, and there is a metal bar here that goes all the way the length of the bed. It has another leg here at the foot of the bed and one at the head of the bed. Strong metal. It's probably more, well, it's more than 1 inch wide and deep. So that gives you extra support down the middle of the bed. So this is one more shot of the center bar, and you can see that it has 3 legs. One at of course, at the head and at the foot, but also one in the middle. I really hope that this review has been helpful. As an Amazon associate, I earn on qualifying purchases.